Good day. So let's talk about queens. I phoned Alberta Honey this morning at 9 o'clock and asked them if they had any queens, and they said they'd get back to me, and they phoned back at 10:30 and said your 2 queens are here. So I went and picked them up. Here, I'll blow this up so you get a good... Inside each queen cage is 5 workers. I guess they feed the queen. So that's how you get them. Try and blow this up. So that's the look inside a queen cage. You can see their little red tongue. They're cleaning up. I put some sugar water on the screen. And when you see that little red tongue dart out, they're cleaning off the screen, the sugar water off the screen. You can see that right there. You can see the tongue come out. It's a reddish tongue. So tomorrow there'll be a 3-way split. And these will go in their own hives tomorrow. There's 1 queen and I believe 5 worker bees. The worker bees feed the queen and look after the queen. So early tomorrow morning I'm going to put the queens in each of their own hives where they will live before I do the split, and that way the pheromones of the queen will be in the hive. Hopefully they'll accept her quicker this way. But this is how you get your queens. One is Betty, and then meet Wonder Woman. And there's more than enough time left in the season for these to rebuild the box so that it's back up and ready for winter. I wouldn't pass July. I wouldn't consider this the end of August. But seeing as it's the end of July and I still got 1 more month of honey draw, realistically this can happen. And after this coming up weekend, I wouldn't consider doing any splits going into August. Unless you're really prepared to winter feed them, because they won't have anything ready. These are mated queens. As soon as they go in, they go right to laying. And in 30 days, there can be 30,000 bees in there. And that's only at a 1 egg. 1 egg per, what is it? They say 1,000, queen can lay up to 1,000 eggs. And now I've heard up to 2,500. So if that's the case, at 2,500 there's more than enough. And there's lots of room. They're going in, drawing out frames already. They don't have to draw them out. But that'll be the end of my drawn out frames. So we're looking at 3 hives when this is all done. And I've got it all set up, and there's exactly enough for everything. So be it. So tonight I'll download this video, and the next video tomorrow will be of the split. So take care, thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.